Okay, with the bulkheads, it's just a matter of screwing them off once they're actually up. They can be sitting away from the ceiling here, that's fine, because the actual cornice will cover all of that. We normally set about 3mm in from the actual carcass itself. Often when you're putting a bulkhead up into an area like this, it's a good idea just to put a little block against the wall. Now I'm only going to be physically screwing into the gyprock, but I've actually got some glue behind it, and the glue's going to hold it in place. And the reason for that is that when the bulkhead hits up against here, when the plasterer comes along and does his cornice along here, he'll be pressing against the bulkhead and it's going to sit nice, tight and firm. Okay, just sliding the bulkhead up, just sliding the bulkhead into place. Once we've got it lined up where we need to at the edge of the cabinet, we can then actually just screw fit it off. Usually from the underside of the top cupboard. And you just literally hold it in place. All you need to do is to finish the bulkhead area, just a little chalking filler. And all you're doing is just scribing that to the wall. Then the plaster will come along, finish his plaster along there. Now that the top bulkheads are just being scribed to the underside of the ceiling, we can now finish off, put the doors back on. When you do scribe to the ceiling, you're probably going to run a bit of chalking around the between the bulkhead and the actual ceiling to actually finish that off, and then the painter then can paint the ceiling and get a nice finish. And the plasterer then will just come along and clean that up afterwards.